Do a little quick update video on this uh, generator roll around custom homebrew um, project where we pretty much have the base all good to go. Maybe put a little bit spacer feet. I don't know, could do like even nails or whatnot. Um, but screw, put some screws in the base there, a piece of wood, wear resistance. But I've got some kind of little gym equipment, exercise thingamabobber, and I figure this will be the overkill, a little heavier duty, the need be. I think it'll fit just about right. Um, the two thoughts I have are going to be do a cut like right there and right there, so that this length of the handle comes down a little more, um, and then goes back further so it can hang out a little, extend out a little further. So you basically have this piece, take out a section of that radius and make that cut so it'll butt up and tack weld, so that get a little more extension of the length. The handle's out and centered. Also, I'm thinking, so when this handle goes back, add an angle in there also, so it kind of comes up and then back, so that handles on there is flat and low profile as I can get it. So basically it would come over, bend down a little bit, or bend at an angle like so, so when it flips over, out of the way, and then level with this plane. I think it's about all I can think of with that, but yeah, this will give me two handles potentially, and we'll see how this first one goes. All right, there you go. Be safe, stay healthy, and learn something new.